Hi you guys. So welcome to my YouTube, I was gonna say Instagram channel, oh my god. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and now I'm coming up with this series called short informative videos where I'm gonna give out some of my tricks to you know, basically like my makeup trick that I use. And today's video is of course about, well, my mascara trick, and this will seriously change your life if you follow the steps that I show you in this video. Continue watching. So the first thing I like to do to make my eyelashes look like voluminous and, you know, longer is you have to add some eyeshadow close to your lash line. This basically gives an illusion of like voluminous eyelashes. So what I like to go in is with the Revolution, which palette is Flawless 4. This is Flawless 4, and I'm gonna, so this is what it looks like. It has a lot of neutral shades. So what I'm gonna go in with a really dark brown eyeshadow. So probably this one. I'm going in with this one. This is a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be applying it close to my, you know, like lash line. So as close as possible. And I've taken a flat, tiny flat brush, and I'm just placing the product there. So I started from my outer corners, and then I'm just bringing it inside, and I'm not going to be bringing it to my inner corners. I'm just going to be focusing it towards the outer corners. So from the outer corner to the middle of your eye, that's about it. Okay, so once you've placed the product, just take a small blending brush without taking any of the product from there. Just start blending that, because you want to make it look you know, like smooth and like there's nothing there. So just start blending it. You can always keep building up the color. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same brown shadow again, and I'm going to place it close to my lash line, and this time I won't blend it because I want the gradiency to show. That's how it looks very voluminous. That's how you pose that illusion out there. So I'm just going to place it close to the lash line, and I won't blend this. So look at how big this eye is looking versus this eye, and all I've done is just add some brown eyeshadow just close to the lash line, almost like it's not even visible. When I apply the mascara, it'll be like, oh, there's nothing there. But right now, because there's no mascara, it looks like obviously there is something there. But this makes such a huge difference, and I use this hack all the time when I'm doing my mascara. So yeah, I'm placing this out there for you guys to see it. Okay, so now the next thing we're gonna go in with is the mascara. Now I don't use eyelash curler because my lashes are already quite curly, but if you have straight eyelashes, then do use an eyelash curler because it makes a huge difference. So the first, so basically when I'm doing my mascara, when I'm applying mascara, I use two mascaras. Now the reason that I use two mascaras is, one, I use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and the second one I use is Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye mascara. So the Damn Girl mascara gives a lot of length, whereas the Smoky Eye mascara, because it gives you a lot of length, it also clamps your eyelashes together. And the Smoky Eye mascara basically sort of like, you know, opens up your lashes and spreads. So I start off by taking the mascara and applying it to my center first. Okay, so this area, and what I like to do is, our eyelashes have certain direction that they go in. So our middle lash goes straight, the inner lash that you see goes towards, you know, your left side, and your outer lash goes outwards. So you have to basically follow that direction when you're applying mascara. Don't just go straight all over, rather follow the direction of your eyelash. So suppose I start from the center, and the center it goes straight. I'm going to take my mascara as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm just going to sort of close my eye, wiggle the mascara wand and pull it straight. So like that. Pull it straight, and also start rotating the wand, because this helps in your eyelashes. This basically curls your eyelashes. So I'm closing my eyes, curling the wand and going straight. So all you have to remember, direction straight, close your eyes when you're applying the mascara, and just curl the wand. These 3 tricks basically change the game. Then take some more mascara and go towards your outer corner. For outer corner, you have to go outwards. You have to go outwards. So pull it out. Pull it out. And you have to keep closing your eyes. Pull it out. Pull, 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 pull. And here I'm not curling because that's not required here. Here you just need to pull it out. And now for your inner, you basically take your wand, you place it like this, so it's vertical. Do this and pull it inwards. Here you need like a lot of control on your hand because you don't want it going and touching your nose, so be careful about that. You can either do this or you could also do this, but I've noticed that this doesn't really help much, which is why I try to do it this way, because this way the mascara goes on all of your lashes and it looks so much more like better and lengthier and stuff. Once I'm done with that, just look at how much difference it's already made. Like this eye versus this eye, there's so much difference already. Now I like to go in with the mascara again, and I like to sort of put it on the tip, like you know this, the tip, and I just like lightly go over it like that, and then I pull it up again, because I went like that, they've come down and you want to pull it up. For some reason this actually lengthens them even more because it adds mascara to the tip of your lashes as well and they become longer. So I'm done with the first mascara. So it looks a little clumpy right now, so this is why I use my second Bobbi Brown mascara, because this sort of spreads out the lashes and gives that perfect non-clumpy effect. So I'm just going to like wiggle it, basically just keep wiggling it. So it's basically done the magic that I told you. It's spread out the eyelashes and they look so much more sultry now and so much more like not clamped up as much as they were. So this is how it looks, and just look at the major difference between this eye and this eye, like the eyelashes, just look at it. Like, oh my god, right? And now do you see the difference that adding that brown eyeshadow made? It's made the outer corner look so much more voluminous than this eye. So this eye I've done nothing at all. But look at how big this eye looks versus this eye. Like this eye looks so big. So I did the other eye off camera and this is how it looks. Now I don't like applying mascara on my lower lashes because I feel like this, just applying it on your upper lashes gives this nice innocent sort of look and I like that. Yeah, so that is my mascara hack. These are my short informative clips. Let me know if you like it. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys like this video. If you do or if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel.